Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a little haul to do from Michael's. They had a really nice sale on some things and I thought, ooh, I needed to join. So I got a little bit of yarn and then I got some things for my son's graduation. And I think I got some washi tape. And that may be it. I'm not sure, but let's see together. The yarn already came. It's in a separate bag, or a separate, yeah, it was in a separate little bag thing. So I have that. Let me just put this down. Oh, I forgot that I got a couple of candles. I forgot. I don't buy a lot of washi tape anymore. A couple reasons. One is that I really don't need any washi tape, and two is that I have a lot of washi tape. So I think I may even have had gotten these colors before, but they had it for really inexpensive, and I thought I would re-get these because I love these colors and I love them together. So yeah, I got those. And then I got these. I do not have these. And these say they're navy, but they look more purple to me. On the website it said navy. I don't know, it doesn't say anything on the actual box, but they're really pretty. But they don't really look navy to me. And then I got these because these just look like fun. Ooh, and they remind me of summer, like a pool or whatever. So I liked those. And then these just say graduation to me. So it feels like you get a lot more black than you do of the other colors. That's really weird. But I thought that those would be really good for something with graduation. I don't know what yet, but I'm not going to take that one out yet. And then I also got, oh, I noticed that this is open. Isn't that nice? Oh, I hope they're all in there. But this, again, is for graduation, and these two. And I thought that I would use like black construction paper or whatever, construction paper, black cardstock when I'm doing his crafts. Like, I know I'm going to make a card holder, and I thought that the white would be pretty against the black, and I don't know yet where he's going to go, so that made it a little harder. So I just stuck with white, and I got white letters. Oh, I guess I got some silver letters too. And then these are also white letters. These are alphabet stickers. You can't even really see them because they're white, but they are in there and tells you here what you get. So that's pretty cool. So all of those are for graduation. And then let's open up these candles. These candles were $2.50. They have a bigger selection at the store, it looks like, because there weren't a ton that were available online, but I went ahead and got a couple of them because I thought they sounded like they would smell really good. We shall see in a minute. I can smell this one already. This one is Seashells and Sand. And it smells very clean. Hear that? It's like shrunk. I'm sure from being cold and hot. They're normally $6. I mean, it smells pretty good. I don't mind this smell at all. It's a little bit grandma-y maybe, but I mean, I think it smells all right. It does smell a little beachy. It smells clean and light, and I like it. It'll be a good spring fragrance. And then what is this one? This one is Vanilla and Teak Wood. Ooh, this one smells really good. This one has a nice vanilla undertone, but it's kind of, the teak wood is very masculine. Oh, that one smells, this one's my favorite. This one smells really good. I mean, they're both good. For $2.50, you can't beat it. So those are good. And then the yarn that I got oatmeal in this Wool Ease Thick and Quick. I love this really thick yarn because it is pretty quick to use. It makes projects go fast, and I don't know, I just like working with it. And I like this color because it's very neutral. And then, I don't know, I'm a sucker for this cranberry color. I love it. So I got this one too, and I think it's the same, the Wool Ease. Yes, Thick and Quick. So that's what I got at Michael's. And I know I got enough, or I know I spent enough to get free shipping, but it really wasn't bad. I think these were $2.50 or $3 each, and they're normally $7.99 each. So these were a really good deal. Everything was just a really good deal. The washi and stickers were all 40% off. Like I said, these were $2.50, so it was pretty good. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. I'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.